our COO, Mr. Miko Imson!
Sinasabi yan ang eroplano, di ba? Hindi yan pwedeng lumipad or mag-take off ng walang maayos na flight course. Pakisabi nga, flight course. Ang eroplano, ang flight, hindi pwedeng mag-take off ng walang maayos and final na destination. Ang unang-unang aalamin bago ka sumakay ng eroplano, ang unang-unang gagawin ng piloto, pati ng pasahero, alam nilang lahat yung final destination, even including the estimated time of arrival. And marami sa industriya natin ang nagsimula, nagtayo, lumipad, nag-take off, pero walang maayos na flight course. Walang maayos na final destination. The problem, lahat ng sumakay, umasa, nangarap, itinaya ang lahat, tinrabaho. Ang nangyari during the flight, because there's walang klarong flight path, hindi na alam saan pupunta, that's the challenge, that's where challenges happens. And most of the time, challenges happens when we are already in the middle of the flight. Pero pag planado at maayos, may clarity. Sabi nga nila, there's power in clarity, then guess what? Siguradong makakarating at makakarating ka sa destination mo. And yun yung mission natin sa Ascendra International. So today, as we run towards our full throttle sa ating pinaka-grand launch on 2026, 4 months pa lang po, imagine, 4 months, 4 na buwan. This is our second General Assembly. Ang ganda nung sinabi ni Mika kanina. Can you just imagine what can happen during our grand launch? Na-imagine nyo na ba? Tapikin mo yung katay mo, say mo, imagine. Di ba, imagine mo kung ito ngayon, punong-puno tayo, how much more pagdating natin sa grand launch on January 2026. Are you excited? Now, we are very, very excited for that. And for us to actually run towards that for full throttle. Now that we are on our soft operations, may mga short updates lang tayo sa inyo operational. Okay ba yon? Sa mga nag-uopisina, sa mga lagi nasa office, ang ganda ng sinabi kanina ni brother, no? Sabi niya, isa sa mga nagpahataw sa kanya, buti na lang mabango ang opisina. Sabi na lang, buti na lang may humidifier tayo. Thank you, Mrs. sa humidifiers natin sa office. So let's show them the updates. To run for the full throttle, we're going for full throttle. Unang-una, mga kaibigan, we're very, very excited kasi tuloy na ang pag-release ng ating mga produkto. Ang Best Barley, Barley Fusion are there. So definitely expect, mga kaibigan, expect nyo na ma-receive natin, mapipick up nyo na, and pwedeng pang-deliver din, ipa-deliver yung mga request niyo na products. You know, we all know that when we started, nakwento kanina ni Mrs., ang plano natin is to do e-commerce. Pero because of the wonderful receive ng ating mga kapartner, ng ating mga members, at kayo pong lahat yun, definitely kailangan nating i-adjust yung stocks natin, kailangan nating i-adjust yung inventory, and right now, it's all ready. Kaya you just need to connect to our member support para po ilagay yung mga request products ninyo. Okay ba yun? Pwede po niyong i-pick up sa office or pwede niyong ipa-deliver kasi we are covering nationwide delivery already as we speak. Okay ba yun? Alright? Next. Paki-next po. Good news. Okay? Pag pumunta kayo sa office, pwede na rin po kayong magpagawa. Okay? Ng inyong Ascendra Distributor ID so everybody could have their own identity already as an Ascender. Okay lang ba? Pakisabi sa tabi mo, proudly, Ascender ako! Kung Ascender ka, dapat may may ID ka, Kaya sa office, magkita-kita tayo, magpa-process na po kayo ng ID. For more inquiries, you just go to our member support, okay? Meron na tayong ID. Next, pakita natin. Okay? Eto, sino dito yung naka-experience na at nag-enjoy na every Friday? Taas sa kamay. Freedom Friday! Sino yung every Friday nagpapa-video kasi may bagong cheque? Taas sa kamay! Ayan, alam nyo, nakakatuwa, no? Kasi, just imagine, in 4 months, saan ka nakakita ng startup company? No? Kahapon, meron tayong international trainer. Sabi niya, umikot siya in different countries. And wala pa siyang nakikitang startup company na nagsimula with 10,300 members already as we speak. 4 months. And every Friday, we are releasing an average of 100 to 150 checks. So 100 to 150 every Friday ang nag-e-encash ng cheque, ang nakakapaghanda ng pagkain sa pamilya, ang nakakabayad ng tuition fee, ng kuryente, ng tubig, ng pang-araw-araw, nakakabili ng lifestyle, naaabot unti-unti yung mga pangarap nila with their first car. Kanina nakaka-inspire kasi ang ganda, ang liwanag. First car. Pag may first, may second, third, fourth, fifth, dream car, at marami pang pasunod. Tama ba? So, nakaka-excite. So, itong Freedom Friday natin, tuloy-tuloy pa rin po ito. Every Friday, we will be having our Freedom Friday check. But what's more exciting is that this coming November 5, itutuloy po natin, continuous po ang application natin for our ATM card. Makikita nyo yun sa dashboard. Pag nag-withdraw ka, may option na check or ATM. So, continuous application kasi paki-next po, lalabas na yung ating Ascender ATM card. Alright? So, powered by Union Bank. Makikita nyo naman yan. Tayo lang po ang may ganyang card ng Union Bank. Naka-portrait. Mas malaki pa po yung Ascendra logo kaysa po sa Union Bank logo. Okay? Talaga namang pang-Ascenders talaga. So, napakaganda niyan. So, right now, we are getting the copies of this. No? May mga sample tayo. Ni-review po ng ating board yung samples niyan. Kung anong mas maganda ko, yung matte ba or yung glossy. Okay? Anong bang gusto nyo? Matte or glossy? Para malaman namin coming from you, no? So, may matte and glossy option kasing binibigay. So, yan, napakaganda. So, talaga ang sarap na mag-withdraw sa Ascendra. Sino yung mga excited mag-withdraw ng libo-libo-libo sa ATM card? Taas na kamay. Alright. Ayan. Next, please. Next. Alright. Eto na. What's more exciting? Para mas pabilisin pa at mas pagandahin at mas maging seamless ang business nating lahat. Palabas na po, this November 5, ang ating portal and payment gateway. So what will this payment gateway do? It's frictionless payments, instant activation na po ito. So as of the moment, lahat ng transaction natin is over the counter. So you pay the cash over the counter, and then yung iba naman, nagbabank transfer, and then may 1 to 2 days tayong processing to review our management, our admin staffs, to review yung ating statement of account. But with the payment gateway, we will not be needing that anymore. So eto, instant activation na. So with the payment gateway natin, it will make transactions faster and more seamless. Once payment is successful sa portal, automatically, nag-encode ka na, di ba, bago ka magbayad, automatically activated na siya, no manual process. Kaya hambat may kausap ka, may napresentan ka, kahit last week pa yan, last month, basta nagbayad, bumili ng product, magugulat ka na lang sa portal mo. Ha? Automatic. Meron ng direct referral bonus, meron ng pairing bonus, meron ng uni-level bonus. Okay ba yun? Ayan. So, pakita natin next. Okay? Ayan. So, currently, right now, we are processing, no, November 5, we're working towards our GCash, our QRPH, and then pasunod dyan yung ating Visa and MasterCard. And then, of course, yung mga kasunod natin like InstaPay, PesoNet, at marami pang iba't ibang payment gateway to make our transactions seamless. Okay ba yun? Are we excited with that? Yan, pakita natin. Next. Ayan, of course, was something to celebrate as well. Mag-ingay ang mga taga-Naga. Okay. Sinimulan na po natin ang renovation ng ating Naga City, of course, in the leadership of our operations manager and of course, yung ating CSO, Sir Joseph Lim. Palakpakan naman natin. Kasama yung ating manager in Bicol, si Sir Dinard. Palakpakan naman natin Sir Dinard. Nasa ba si Sir Dinard? Nandiyan ba? Okay? So, again, napakaganda po ng office sa Naga City. That's our branch office in Naga. Next, we also have one other branch office sa Daraga, Albay. Mag-ingay ang mga taga-Albay. Yan. So, Daraga Albay po yan, no? So, definitely, this is our branch office. We'll definitely bring a lot of stocks already of products so that you can get more access sa produkto natin dyan sa Naga at saka sa Albay para mas bumilis ang business ng ating mga ascenders. Pero itong matindi, this November, another wonderful update, no? Kung meron tayong branch office sa Albay, may branch office sa Naga. Ang tanong, sa mga lugar po ba ninyo, gusto nyong magkaroon ng Ascendra office? Kung gusto nyong mauna ang Ascendra office sa lugar ninyo at bumilis ang negosyo, bumilis ang resulta, isigaw nyo yung mga lugar ninyo, parinig nyo sa mga board of directors natin. Come on, come on! Isigaw mo! Anong lugar yan? Di ko marinig! Isigaw mo! Yan. Now, good news! Good news! Pakisabi, good news! November, we will implement and start, paki-next boss, yung ating Ascendra Trading Center. We will now open Ascendra to a lot of our Ascenders partners. Ito po, pakinggang mabuti. Okay? As we continuously expand and multiply our numbers of partners and mga committed dreamers, this Ascendra Trading Center will make sure to decentralize fulfillment. Para po yung fulfillment natin meron na sa iba't ibang lugar. At the same time, we want to localize the experience. Kaya inaayos natin yung experience natin sa head office. Gusto natin nagsa-celebrate pag may nagre-register. Gusto natin may pa-sound system dyan. Gusto natin masaya. Gusto natin maayos ang queuing system. Gusto natin maganda ang operations so that we can mimic and copy that to every Ascendra Trading Center. Now, the good news is that nationwide, this is going to be a nationwide network of pickup centers and depot, bringing Ascendra's solution closer sa lahat ng mga city, bayan at lugar po ninyong lahat. Kaya ako ngayon pa lang, naiisip nyo na po yung mga lugar ninyo, eto na po yan, alright? Alright, we will extend Ascendra's footprint, turning Ascendra into a truly nationwide ecosystem. Ready na ba tayo dyan? Parinig nga ulit itong mga unang lugar na magkakaroon ng ATC. Ito na. Ayan. Mga kaibigan, this is gonna be my last part. Alam nyo, exciting to, itong mga susunod na updates. Kasi tulad nga naman nabanggit ko kanina, lahat ng eroplano, bago lumipad, ang runway po niyan nakadesign na medyo mahaba para makabuild ng momentum, makabuelo. Lahat ng flight course, flight path, roadmap, naka-ready. Now, ladies and gentlemen, the good news, sa Ascendra International, nilapat na po yan ng ating Chief Executive Officer. Ginawa na po yan ng ating Chief Strategy Officer, ng ating CFO, ng founders, at ng mga ideas ng ating mga founding partners. Kaya naka-red carpet na po kayo sa Ascendra International. Ready lumipad na po. Now, just to show you, mga kaibigan, we want to secure your future. Hindi natin gusto na lilipad tayo, mag-take off tayo, pero alanganin, hindi sigurado. Itataya nyo yung buhay ninyo, itataya nyo yung pangarap nyo, yung pamilya nyo. Importante na may roadmap tayo. And just to show you the vision, the roadmap that we have, to start it off, we want to show you how far Ascendra International will go with each and every one of you ascending your lives. Pakita natin, boss. Introducing the bigger picture, our legacy in creation, mga kaibigan, yung ating mother company, Ascendra Legacy Holdings. Pakisabi po, Ascendra Legacy Holdings. Sabi nga dito, vision must always be backed by structure. Mga kaibigan, para sa hindi pa nakakaalam, ang Ascendra International po is actually a company under a holding company. Ang holding company po natin is Ascendra Legacy Holdings. And under the Ascendra Legacy Holdings, andun po si Ascendra International, our multi-level marketing company, our network marketing company that we love so much. And ito pong ALH na to, hindi po to basta pangalan lang. Hindi po to basta na ginawa lang po ng ating CEO, ng CSO at ng founders ng ating CFO. Tinabaho po ito to be registered. ALH is SEC registered. Ayan, andyan po yung ating mga legal counsels, ha? Palakpakan naman po natin yung ating mga counsels at mga ating mga advisors. So mga kaibigan, eto po. Okay, next, no? Pakita natin, next natin dyan. Ngayon, meron tayong isang company. Ang pangalan, Ascendra International. Good news. Pakisabi nga, good news. Currently, right now, i-unlock na po natin to. Pakisabi nga, unlock. I-unlock natin yung isa sa mga exciting natin na companies. Alright? Paki-next, boss. Pakita natin. Introducing, next, boss. Okay? Part of our protection solution, Ascendra Insurance Agency. Guys, Ascendra Insurance Agency will be securing. What's wonderful about it, it is IC endorsed. Ito po is our newest subsidiary under Ascendra Legacy Holdings. The good thing about this, the Ascendra Insurance Agency is now officially registered na po. Dito po natin i-train yung ating mga members, ascenders. Of course, we will professionalize the distribution and we will comply on the distribution ng ating mga protection solutions. And of course, dahil nga po naka-establish na yung ating Ascendra Insurance Agency, currently ongoing yung ating mga partnership na nagbibigay po sa atin ng ating mga protection solution. Unahin na natin. Paki-introduce natin, boss. Next. Ayan po, mga kaibigan. Yung basic AI and premium AI, we have here introducing our trusted protection partner, PGA Sompo. Ayan. PGA Sompo, ladies and gentlemen, is a partnership of Prudential Guarantee Assurance and Sompo Holdings of Japan. Kaya exciting po ito kasi this company is a collaboration. Mahilig tayo sa collaboration. Kaya mas pinalakas po itong kumpanyang to with Prudential Guarantee and of course with Sompo Holdings of Japan. Talagang this time, eto na. Okay? Isa sa mga pinaka-iintay. Pakitapik yun nasa kanan mo tsaka nasa kaliwa. Sabihin mo, eto na iniintay natin. If we have a financial solution for accident, di ba? Itong protection natin para sa aksidente. Para, alam naman natin, kapag may mga aksidente, hindi natin alam kailan mangyari aksidente. Importanteng meron kang coverage. This time, sabi ng iba, Miko, meron na akong accident coverage. Ang problema ko sa pamilya ko, madalas nagkakasakit. Sa pamilya namin, madalas nagkakaroon ng virus, ha? Yung iba nga kakagaling lang sa ubo. Okay? Now, good news, mga kaibigan. Meron na tayong protection para sa mga illness, diseases, and sickness. Ladies and gentlemen, next boss, introducing Ascend Health Plus! Ascend Health Plus is gonna be Ascendra International's health protection. Kaya we partnered with someone that is actually reliable. Mga kaibigan, ayan po, kasama natin ngayon yung mga partners natin from Pacific Cross. Pakipalakpakan naman po. Ayan. Ayan si Miss Vida, Mr. Roy, and the team. Palakpakan natin. So mga kaibigan, Pacific Cross is gonna be with us. And I'm telling you, alright, what's exciting about this will start on November 5. Ha? So, automatic, pag in-announce natin, andyan na po. Alright? November 5. Ready na tayo dyan. We are coming up with it. We can now start, no? Meron tayong ipapakita sa inyo mga details niyan. May mga trainings tayong gagawin. We will be definitely doing this for each and every one of you. I-introduce namin sa inyo by November 5 yung ating Ascend Health Plus. The good thing about this, makikita nyo, parang talagang pinagtagpo. Kulay pa lang. May orange and blue. And ang pinakagusto ko yung tagline ng Pacific Cross, di ba? Here for us. Here for you. Sorry. Here for you. Di ba? Kaya naman, parehas sa parehas ng ang partner mo sa pag-asenso. Alright? Yan. So, excited ba tayo dyan? Sino yung mga ready i-ascend ang health nila? Taas ang kamay! Yan. So, Ascend Health Plus is now ready for everyone. In fact, may booth ang Pacific Cross. Alright? Yan. So, ito yung ating medical insurance. It is an HMO-like product natin. Alright? So, you can cover individuals. No? It's a medical insurance coverage for individual, covering us from sickness, illness, and diseases. Alright? So pag nagkasakit, nagkaroon ng virus, yung details po niyan, makikita nyo sa mga posters natin. Alright? Ayan. Now, eto pa. Do you want more? Parang biti naman. Do you want more? Parang mahina pa. Do you want more? You know, we love this new product kasi sabi nga nila may tinatawag na Red Ocean and Blue Ocean. Pakisabi nga, Blue Ocean. Alam mo, pag nasa Red Ocean ka kasi, kaya siya red kasi madugo. Matindi ang competition. Ang dami na sa market. Given na sa lahat. No? Mabibili kahit saan. Pag sinabing Blue Ocean, bago. Ibig sabihin sa market, iilan lang. Okay? Ang exciting kapag Blue Ocean, maraming opportunity. Pakisabi nga, opportunity. Now, what I love about this new product, upcoming. Pakisabi nga, upcoming. Upcoming pa lang po siya. Pero ipapakita namin sa inyo, the brand is here, it is ready, because this is a personal product na malapit sa puso ng ating Chief Finance Officer. Pakita natin, boss. Introducing Posendra Protect! Yes! And of course, Posendra Protect is delivered to each and everyone with you directly from our visionary product na ito ng ating CFO, Miss Francesca Fugen, inspired by her love for her pets, kasama yung ating mga Chief Happiness Officer, introducing Sola, Luna, and Tala! Woo! Sino bang hindi sasaya sa Ascendra? Hello! Hi! Sa mga pet lovers dyan! Hi! Posendra Protect! Yun! Wow! Yes! Thank you. Guys, nakikita nyo naman. Alam mo, sabi nila, mapapatunayan daw ang buti ng puso ng tao kapag sa mga pet, no, mabuti ka. Kaya sa may mga pet dyan, sino may mga pets dyan? Taas ang kamay! Yan, sa mga pet lovers. Ayan, introducing Posendra Protect, a special and personal protection plan for pet lovers, for fur parents. Ang goal natin, holistic protection. Hindi lang for accident, hindi lang for health, hindi lang para sa atin. But we want to protect what you love. Because we love what we do in Ascendra. We want to protect what we love, all that we love, including your fur family. Okay ba yun? So mga kaibigan, like I told you, this is gonna be a blue ocean. Ang ganda po nito. In fact, it's so exciting kasi, alam nyo, nagulat po ako when I heard kung magkano ang pag nagkasakit ang pet, mas mahal pa minsan sa pag nagkasakit ang tao. Totoo po, nagulat ako nung pinakita sa akin ni Mrs. last time yung bill ng kanyang pet. No, I just forgot kung si Sola ba or si Luna yung nagkasakit, sir. Both, di ba? Si Sola and Luna nagkasakit. Guys, yung bill po, nasa 40,000 pesos isa. Sabi nung kasama, parang ano na to, pang cesarean section na to sa probinsya. So, bata, papanganak na. So, just imagine how powerful it is that this time you have somebody that you can rely on. May produkto tayo, may solution tayo. Na pag nagkasakit yung mga fur family natin, no, yung ating mga pets, merong pwedeng mag-cover. Merong pwedeng mag-indemnify ng ating mga gastusin pagdating sa veterinary, no? So, guys, yun yung ating Posendra Protect. Is that exciting? Now, ladies and gentlemen, marami pa pong parating na mga updates, no? Ayan, Posendra Protect. But then again, as we close, no, kaibigan, yung message ko today sa inyo, like what we always say, no? May naalala lang po ako kanina. Ang pangalan po niya si Ronald Wayne. Pakisabi nga, Ronald Wayne. Do you know Ronald Wayne? Tanong mo yung katabi mo, kilala mo ba si Ronald Wayne? Sino nakakilala kay Ronald Wayne? Walang nakakilala kay Ronald Wayne. Meron dito, Roland Uy. Tsaka Ronald Morota. Now, you know why you don't know, most of us know Ronald Wayne? Ask me why. Ronald Wayne was the person invited by Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak. Steve Jobs, kilala po ba ninyo? Sino ba namang hindi makakilala sa visionary owner and founder ng Apple, di ba? Sino mga naka-Apple dyan? Steve Jobs and Steve Wozniak, mga kaibigan, invited Ronald Wayne to be a co-founder of Apple during the beginning, 1976. Now, I want you to grasp the lesson on this story kasi timing na timing sa Ascendra International 4 months. Si Ronald Wayne, siya po ang gumawa ng unang-unang logo ng Apple. Even Ronald created po, siya po yung gumawa ng unang-unang partnership agreement, yung kontrata. Siya pa po ang nag-design ng contract ni Steve Jobs, ni Steve Wozniak, at saka niya, ng sarili niya. But you know what's amazing about the story? Just after 12 days, nagsisimula pa lang po ang Apple. Wala pa pong naniniwala. During the beginning, maraming nagdududa, maraming kokontra. 12 days after Ronald Wayne sold his stocks, 10% share, he sold it for $800. Maybe because nagduda siya, maybe because natakot siya, maybe because nangailangan siya. He sold his 10% share at $800. Now ask me how much is the share right now, value of 10% of Apple. Ask me how much? Today, it's $200 billion. The 10% share that Ronald Wayne sold for just $800 after 12 days launching Apple, right now is worth $200 billion. Mga kaibigan, mali ba si Ronald Wayne? Maraming magsasabing yes. Mali bang natakot siya? Pwedeng hindi. Pero yung takot at duda niya made a very, very, very expensive regret to him. That fear, that doubt, removed him in the book of history, in the revolution of technology in the world. Right now, Apple is flying on the roof. Mga kaibigan, just a reminder, right now we are pioneering. Right now, we are our soft operations. Right now, we are just on our runway, doing our 100% full throttle, ready to take off by January to February 2026 for our grand launching. Mga kaibigan, yung katabi mo, pioneer. Pakisabi nga, pioneer ka. And ayaw nating maging Ronald Wayne po kayo. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are now here, nadala ka lang sa wave, na-excite ka lang, natuwa ka lang, but you are here just to tip your toes in the water, subukan lang ang Ascendra, I am telling you, this is not the moment for you to keep or play safe. This is not the moment to play safe. Because today, if you play safe, I am telling you, mga kaibigan, maraming opportunity ang pwedeng mawala sa'yo. It's gonna be the most expensive playing safe that you will do in your life because we know Ascendra International and we declare malayong marating, marami tayong babaguhing buhay. Kaya today, we want you to give your 100% full throttle. Nagsisimula pa lang po tayo. This coming January to February, our grand launch, abangan po ninyo, ang dami nating update today. Let's enjoy the rest of our day for our today's General Assembly. God bless you guys, and we love you. God bless.